Yo, what's good with y'all? You know what I'm saying? We back. I gotta do something, bro. I gotta drop something, so I had to go. I was just like, fuck it. I was at the store. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go home. This gonna be some little ASMR shit type shit. I'm not really gonna talk. I'm gonna let the car do the talking. Let's see how this bitch start. Hopefully it starts. Ooh, it started. That's all we need. Yeah, bro, so I'm gonna just go head home. He got some pushes and shit. Hopefully my camera don't die. Shit on low battery, so we gotta hurry up. I've been thinking about getting me some like SRT type shit, like a Chrysler SRT, bro. Oh shit! Like I might get that shit. I'm really thinking of it. I don't know if I just do that or just keep it going with this, cause I really want something like that's really gonna go fast. If this shit fast, oh shit, he scared the fuck out of me. Talking about security area, bro. He scared me away. Shit. Oh, what the fuck? You hear it? Ooh, hopefully nobody opened that door. Oh my god. This shit's really fire. Where's he going? Y'all seen it? Right there where I was just pushing it, there was somebody crossing the road and he started running. Well, he thought he was gonna get run over. He thought it was his last day. Hopefully y'all can hear the pops. It's all with the back. I want to get another camera view, like put it on the outside of the car, like on the back. That would really go fire. That would go dumb. But there's usually no traffic here. I don't know what's going on. I just want to get a video out. I've been lacking. I be recording, but I just don't like the shit I be fucking recording, bro. I be like, this shit ass. But I'm gonna for sure upload this, bro. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck if it's ass. Like, I can start twerking on accent and I'm gonna upload it. I don't know how it could happen on accent. Hey yo, but like, if Adam22 watching this video, bro, bro, let me go next, please. Yo, whoa. Did y'all hear that shit? Oh my god, my engine just blew up. Wait, no, I'm not saying that. Bro, I was joking. Don't blow up. I was joking. Come on, bro. It was my exhaust. I was joking. Please don't blow up. This is gonna be the end of the video, bro. I'm about to be home. I'm gonna go through this bridge. Hope y'all can hear it. I don't even know. Woo! Yo! Man. Oh shit, it's on green. I'm tripping. Yo, it's on green. I stopped. Yo, I thought it was... Man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Like, subscribe if you already ain't. See you on the next one. Oh.